Hi, Maria. This is your girl, Homie K, here with
Catherine.
little Catherine. I didn't forget her name. We just didn't plan an intro. Also, special guest featuring little Sammy Sam.
Ludicrous.
Ludicrous, get out. Anyway, here's your task. Get ready.
Yeah, they like the way I do this. Wanna crank it like a chainsaw. Yeah, they like the way I do this. When I crank it like a chainsaw. Full throttle, heavy metal, set the bar, next level. Wasteland, getting all janky, so close. Let's go with them levels back. Let's go just like this track. Shirt is over from all this sweat. Catch my rap. Chainsaw. Now hear me roar. I'm an eight, back predator. Think of all. Let's get Skeletor. Watch it learn. Get that thing cranking, yeah, slash. Boom to the knees, yeah, crank it like a chainsaw. Boom to the knees, yeah, crank it like a chainsaw. Crank it, back, crank it, back. Boom to the knees, yeah, crank it like a chainsaw. Boom to the knees, yeah, crank it like a chainsaw. Crank it, back, crank it, back. Fresh flannel shirt, country bumpkin, lumberjacking moves, aka Pop Bunyan. I make it right. Chainsaw. Drop it. Here we go. Be so sharp that they call me Jones. I'm your boss, baby, crank it like a chainsaw.
Sorry, there was no intro.
Wilderness, but I'm chivalrous. From Texas, but no massacre. I listen to people killing it. Dropping trees, what you see? Watch some things fall. Close to my knees, that mean I crank it like a chainsaw. Do it to these trees, I'll see these flames, y'all. Burn them up, burn them down, now let me see you. Chainsaw.
Crank it like a chainsaw. Boom to the knees, yeah. Crank it like a chainsaw. Crank it, back. Crank it, back. Boom to the knees, yeah. Crank it like a chainsaw. Boom to the knees, yeah. Crank it like a chainsaw. Crank it, back. Crank it, back.
I'm waiting for the video to end. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that. Do you have anything to add to your task?
Heavily. No, we're good. Thanks, Maria.
Bye, homie.
Goodbye. Bye.